I've got my eye on an old schooner. And cut. Well, g'day. Now this is an unusual way to start the vlog, isn't it? What's happened? It's like 3 or 4 in the morning again. I've got a couple of things filed away that I've shot. The footage and everything. Mostly it's ready to put together. Thought I'd give you an update because it was some time ago I filmed that. Just letting you know, of course, that was over a year ago, and I've done all those things now. Here's one idea. One is how to make yogurt at home. Did it. Another one is actually how to make these, I guess you'd call them Thai health drinks from Thailand. That's going to take a while to do. Done those two. There's a big one I'm going to do anyway. It's about, let's call it something like how healthy is the water that you're drinking. And this is a huge one. Did that one as well. Look at all the other muck we're drinking. And if you could smell it, if it was smell-o-vision, it smells like radiator coolant. It's horrible. Do a self-test for a feature film. I've done heaps more of those as well. My 25 years as a homicide detective is coming up this month. There won't be any anniversary parties for this. Lonely, overworked, underappreciated, no-name detective. But that's okay. This is video number 500 for this channel. So, what I wanted to say briefly is, excuse the animals here, they're mostly Mum's collection of bears. Oh, except Tigger's mine. The difference is, don't procrastinate about ideas. When you get an idea, just go with it. I guess it's human nature, but don't wish that things were easier. Wish you were better, and make it so. Well, this is the 500th video for this channel anyway that I've made. And
We've made.
You're right, I'm recording. There are 2 of us, you know. Alright, we've made. And we'd just like to thank you for supporting our channel, watching our sometimes silly videos, and give you a sincere thank you. Thank you. Did I get that right? Whoever you are and wherever you are. What do you want? And what are you trying to achieve?
What's your next video going to be?
Zeg, de film is nog verstaan, maar zich niet.